welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. I am back today with another recipe from the Gudetama cookbook. Sarah, what are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making Bored by Dalgona coffee. Wow, look at it. Okay, so look at it. I tried to draw him. It didn't work out well, but the attempt was there, okay? But this is what we're making today. Sarah, why does that coffee name sounds so familiar? Okay, I'm glad you noticed. Do you guys remember like 5 years ago when, I don't know, something happened in the world? There was like a viral coffee that was going on. This was the coffee. At least from the ones that I saw, the viral TikToks that I saw or viral videos was this coffee, and I was totally one of those people who was also making those coffees. I literally was making it every single day, and I loved it. It was so good. And then my little this thing broke, and then I never got it replaced, and that's what actually took me out of that chokehold. So now we're back today to make it again. It's been so long since I've made it last. I thought it would be fun to come back around to this. Also, I didn't realize that it was in this cookbook, so it was like, I don't know, it just feels full circle. So we're gonna try making this today, but this time, okay, so the series is called Scuffed Kitchen, right? Well, I'm going to actually try to see if I can make this look aesthetic, because that was one of the things that I tried to do every time I made it. So I don't know, we're just gonna see if I'm able to do that. If it doesn't, well, we tried. A for effort. If it does turn out aesthetic, that would be cool. So I guess we'll find out. Also, I thought it would be fun to try this because I haven't made any drinks from any of the cookbooks that I've been using. So I thought this also was going to be like a good thing to try to make. So I don't know, it's I haven't had this coffee since I like used to make it all the time. So let's see if I still love it and if I end up making it again all the time. I doubt it, because it is kind of a lot of work, and I like making my coffee like kind of simple now, but we'll see. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I'm gonna be able to do it? I don't know. All right, and here are all of the ingredients. That's it. I haven't added the little cup in here. This is like the tallest cup I have that's like see-through and glass, so that's what we're gonna do. Wow, that was the best part of this recipe. Not that many ingredients. Okay, so now that we have everything all gathered, let's go ahead and see what we have to do. As you guys saw, there wasn't a lot of ingredients, and there just isn't a lot of steps. Literally this here and here feels like it's like both of these longer than the ingredients itself, though it's easier as lying. It's kind of easy. If you guys have never had the viral coffee before, I don't know, I feel like this is a good time to try it. So now that we have everything all gathered, it makes one serving. We do have a thing right up here, we have a thing right down here, and then of course our ingredients. So let's see what this says here. Some social media trends take a lot of effort, but for this viral sensation, there are no over-the-top acts required. Wrong person. Fluffy Dalgona coffee is not only beautiful, it's fun and quick to make. Whip it for less than a minute and you're already done. You'll feel so triumphant that you may even want to post a photo for all the world to see. Meh, why bother? Just drink it. Dang! Damn, alright! And then let's see what it says down here. After spending a whole 5 minutes making Dalgona coffee, you may as well make the most of it. More than a drink topper, it can be used to embellish a variety of recipes. For a different way to get a sweet shot of caffeine in the morning, place a dollop on top of pancakes, I guess. Or for a distinctive take on a traditional morning favorite, use it as dip for dozing off donuts. I did make that. Oh, that would have been good. That would have been good. You'll never go back to a boring cup of joe and dull pastries again. To really take it over the top, freeze it. Dalgona coffee freezes up great. Grab a spoon and you can eat the cool jolt of lava just like ice cream. So many options for a simple 3-ingredient recipe. It's the ultimate payoff in lazy cooking. I've never frozen it before. I actually kind of want to try it that way too. Why did I never think to freeze it? That's actually great. I don't have any stuff to make the donuts with that, but that would have been so good. Yeah, fabulous pair. sounds like, so definitely should try. But let's go ahead and get started. It is currently 10:44 a.m. It said like 5 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna take like 5 minutes. I feel like that's pretty accurate. Let's go ahead and get started. In a medium bowl, stir together the instant coffee, sugar, and 2 tablespoons boiling water. With a handheld mixer on low, whip the mixture for 30 seconds until it starts to froth. Raise the speed and continue whipping until the mixture fluffs up in soft peaks form, about 4 to 5 minutes. Fill a cup with ice, then pour over the milk. Spoon the whipped coffee mixture over the milk to serve. Ready! There she is. That didn't go aesthetic at all. But it looks good. You can see the mess. I saved it though. Wow, dude, that looks good. 3rd time's the charm. All right. Oh my god, it looks so aesthetic. I'm afraid I'm gonna spill it, but okay. I'm gonna like stand like this. I have a straw. Let's try it. Oh no, it's starting to spill already. I didn't taste any of the coffee. Okay, let's just mix it. See if I can serve it. Ooh, aesthetic. Okay, I can do aesthetic. We tried. All right, you guys saw here first, folks. I tried. I really tried. Like a stray coffee ground. So I thought this was the recipe that I used to make a lot too, but I remember whipping the milk too, so maybe I'm thinking of something else. The recipe did call for almond milk. I used oat milk instead because that's what I had. How am I gonna make this iced? I'm gonna try making it iced though. I'm gonna make like a foam version. Oh my god. It's good. It is good though. Oh my god, it's so fucking messy, bro. Well, there's that. I do want to try this frozen banana. I mean, I'm going to, but it does taste pretty good once it's like mixed. ASMR. Yeah, once I get over the initial mess, it's actually not that bad. The cookbook calls for using a medium bowl, and I only have this as a hand mixer, so it goes sideways, and I tried it 2 different times. I had a smaller bowl. Oh my god, it's a mess. Okay, let's try this again. Then I used a bigger bowl. It's a mess, it literally got everywhere. But it just kept getting everywhere, and I had to clean an entire area. So it took me 3 tries to even try to get it aesthetic. You guys saw how the milk went. That was like my one chance, and I blew it. That's okay. At least the attempt was made. And I tried it like 3 different times for something that doesn't take that long to make, honestly. But we did it. Looks aesthetic. Now I'm gonna try freezing it and see what happens. So let's see. So much coffee today, actually. Anyway, I'll be back. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I even went that extra mile to try and make it aesthetic, but it really, I don't think I'm at that level yet. baby steps or something, I don't know. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. Do you guys like coffee? I love coffee. I'm one of those people who do have coffee like every single day. So my personal favorite is Colombia coffee. I just love the smell of it. It smells so good. Anyway, if you guys have any favorites, please let me know. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment on what you thought of it. Yeah, I guess I'll be back when I have the ice cream flavor. Okay, so it's the next day because I didn't want to have coffee ice cream. I froze it. It like looked like it went to the bottom. I messed with it a little bit, and look, oh my god, look. It's like actually soft. Holy crap! I didn't expect that. I haven't tasted it yet. All I've done is like spit it around. So let's go ahead and taste it. There's too much coffee. Holy shit. This coffee is fuck, bro. That's so much better. Who would have thought? But I didn't want to have like too much coffee in one day. After I finished the Dalgona coffee yesterday, I was, you know? But I think it tasted pretty good. Oh my god, where's my other mic? If you need a real freaking punch in your face, just make the coffee part. Oh my god. I'm about to have energy all freaking day, but thanks for watching.